Enrolling students to a class. You can enroll students into a class from two places. You can go into the class itself and enroll the students to the class. Or, you can also go into an individual student and enroll them into their classes. This tutorial will explain the first way, how to enroll students from the class itself. For detailed instructions for the other way, of enrolling a student to all of their classes, see the appropriate help tutorial in the student section. Please note, before a student can be enrolled into a class, they must be registered to the semester of that class. The semester field is found inside the student's profile, under the program submenu. For detailed instructions on how to register a student to the semester, see the appropriate help tutorial in the student section. To enroll students from the class, select Classes from the main menu, and select the class from the appropriate year and semester. Enrolling students from the class can be done in two ways. You can use the Enroll Students feature, found in the Class Settings page, to automatically enroll all of the students of the class's tracks into the class. This could be done when first setting up the class, or at any point after that. Select the Enroll Student checkbox to activate the feature, and select Save. Please note, for this feature to work, the students must be registered for the same semester as the class, and also have an enrollment status that is not equal to alumni. The enrollment status is found inside the student's profile, under the program submenu. If the student is registered for the semester but is still marked as an alumni, they will not be automatically enrolled. You must change them to something other than alumni. You can use the student reports to update many students' enrollment status at a time. For more information on student enrollment status and how to update it, see the appropriate help tutorial in the student section. Please note, the Enroll Students feature will only enroll students to the class. It will not remove or unenroll students from the class. For example, if you enrolled the students from one track, and then change the class's track, the Enroll Students will enroll the students of the new track, but will not remove the students of the old track. The second method gives you full control of which students to enroll into the class, and also gives you the ability to unenroll students. Select the Students submenu. If you can't find a particular student, clear the filters by selecting All Tracks and All Enrollment Type. If you still can't find a particular student, check to verify that they are registered to the same semester as this class. Select the checkbox next to students that you want to enroll, and unselect to unenroll. You can filter the list by track, and use the Select All checkbox to mark all of the students at once. Select Save to apply your changes. Please note, this page will always load up filtered to the students who are enrolled. You will need to change the filter to see the unenrolled students.